Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on starting a group session on Spotify. Group sessions are a new feature for premium users that allow you and your friends to share one session and listen to the same songs at the same time. I'll show you how to set it up. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. You can set up a group session at any time when you are listening to music. From the Now Playing page, scroll down as if you were going to get to the lyrics. There is a heading called Start a Group Session. This yellow image here is a QR code for the group session. All your friends have to do is open their Spotify QR code scanner from the search page and scan your code. They will automatically join your group session. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Spotify tips and tricks.